You might think YouTube is only for browsers on PC, but there's a better way to use it. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the YouTube app on your Windows PC quickly and easily. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Open up a web browser. For me, I use Google Chrome. You can use other browsers, but if you follow along the steps, it should be about the same. First, go to youtube.com. There are two ways to do this. The first way is at the end of the address bar, you can see this little computer with download icon. Hover over it and you can see a pop-up saying Install YouTube. Click on it and you can see the option to install it. The other way is to click on the three dots at the top corner of your Google Chrome browser. Find the option Save and Share. You can see the option Install YouTube, so go ahead to install. Then after, you can see the shortcut appearing on your desktop and you can click on it to get into YouTube quickly. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.